locations are independently owned and operated.
Thanks, Brown's Harvest. All right, so I guess it makes the most sense to do the intro now because I'm by myself, so I'm a one-woman army today, and yeah. So basically, I'm at Brown's Harvest in Windsor, Connecticut, and I'm about to get some pumpkins that I'm going to carve. Be on the lookout for that because I'm definitely going to vlog that with you guys too. But for right now, I'm just going to take you guys here, show you guys what it looks like, and get some pumpkins with you guys. Oh, God, the sun is booming out here, guys. I'm actually happy that I went at this time because it's not a lot of people here. So I won't look as crazy. I don't want y'all to see my car. So I won't look as crazy, you know, talking to myself. But yes, so we got mad cars. Wait, the entrance say right here. Why she went that way? Should I be following her? I'm not gonna follow her. I'm going this way. All right, y'all. So I'm about to go through the entrance because, you know, it's just an entrance. And let's go. I want you guys to see the other view now. All right, and now we're here. All right, so this section is different. Whew. All right, so it's a lot of walking I gotta do. Not so much. I'm about to get a wheelbarrow though, because I'm not carrying these things. So they give you nice little wheelbarrows. Yes, ma'am. All right.
Now, I'll show you guys the store after I pick out my pumpkin. All right, let's walk you guys with me. Maybe I should pull in my purse.
There we go. So welcome to Brown's Harvest. So they have apples, a corn maze, some barbecue sauce, and all that great stuff. So I'm not getting any of those. They also do hay rides too, guys. So bring your kiddos, you know. So there's the corn maze and all that other stuff like that. But yes, this is what I came for because me, Deja, need pumpkins. All right. And I honestly don't know what side. Ooh, I see a cute looking one. All right, so I'm gonna be picking out, oh wow, wow. I've never gotten one of those pumpkins before. All right, so I think I'm choosing from here. And I think I'm gonna choose, I wish I could prop you guys up. Y'all probably like, choose that one, choose that one. I think I like this one, that one, guys. And because it gives you like enough to, hold on, let's keep looking. I see some more, but I really like this one too. I'm terrible at picking pumpkins. Y'all gonna realize that, because watch, the pumpkin that I do pick is gonna be like crazy looking. Ouch. All right, so I don't know if I like these either. These got some long stems on them. Oh, I see a cute one. See, I like cute round ones. Maybe that's the problem. All right. And I want them to be the same size too. All right, y'all, let's go over here. Ooh, wrong way. All right, so let's go this way. Come on, little wagon, whatever you want to be called. All right. So last year when I came, I got my pumpkins from over here. So maybe I'll have some luck again. All right, so I see that one's nice and little, but it's little. And I'm gonna put them on my porch like I did last year too. All right, so I think I'm gonna go with this one. This one's a nice little ball. Oh. And then, all right, so uno, dos, tres. All right, so that one's nice. I think I see another one that I think is cute too. I don't like it up close. I know y'all probably like, it's not like you eating them. You only gonna carve them. You're right. All right, I gotta get one that's kind of like the same size, because me and Ty are gonna do like a pumpkin carving contest, I think. Great. All right, y'all. I'm back over here. it's hard to pick pumpkins. Honestly, leave it down in the comments if you think it's hard picking pumpkins, because I always have a hard time. It's like you got to get the perfect pumpkin, you know? But what is a perfect pumpkin? I ain't got dirt on it. Come on, little wagon. All right, let's go over here. All right, our last batch to look into. Ooh, I think I see a cute one. All right, so this one is that size. That one's a little smaller, but I guess they're like the same. They're not the same. All right, who cares? I'm gonna pick, I'm about to do eeny, meeny, miny, mo, because I really don't know. That one's kind of cute, but it's just in the middle. How I'm gonna get to it. Especially with one hand. All right, you guys, I think that's the one I'm gonna get because it's actually really cute. All right, so I'm gonna put you guys down and I'll be back. So guys, one is definitely bigger than the other. Yeah, that's gonna be a problem. Register. One is just gonna be bigger. Let me see. See, it's bad trying to find two that are the same size, because that is the hard part. Well, I could. I do not know, guys. We're just gonna have to. I should have just got those two in the middle, but how was I getting to the middle? Okay, we're doing this like this. That's just what it's gonna be right now. I kind of want two small ones too, but yeah. Oh yeah, maybe I'll look at two small ones. And they're $1. Hell yeah, I'm gonna get two. I'm funny. I know. All right, so I'm gonna get two. I never got these before, but I think if you clean them off and I could paint them, it'll be real nice. So I'm gonna do this. Yeah, definitely gotta clean these because they are dirty as hell. Alright, let's take it on into the store. It's always so nicely decorated. Oh, those are cute. Alright. Good, how are you? And the two little ones, yeah. And can I have donuts too? I should stay away, but they're so good. So yes, we're at Brown's Harvest.
Locations are independently owned and operated.
Thanks, Brown's Harvest.
Wendy's